Hello class, today we are going to discuss about ISO 9000 quality standards. Here first of all we must know what is total quality management, and we have already discussed about it. That is the management of total quality in the pharmaceutical firm. In this presentation we are going to discuss about what is ISO and what are the benefits of ISO certification. ISO quality assured firm. So quality management system, it defines and establishes an organization's quality policy and objective, and it allows an organization to document and implement the procedures needed to attain these goals. Properly implemented quality management system, it ensures that procedures are carried out consistently, and the problems can be identified and resolved, and that the organization can continuously review and improve its procedure, product and services. It is a mechanism for maintaining and improving the quality of product or services so that they consistently reviewed and exceed the customer's implied or stated need and quality objectives. What is ISO? ISO family of standards is related to quality management system and designed to help organizations ensure that they meet the needs of customer and other stakeholders while meeting statutory and regulatory requirements. We have to be limited in the regulatory requirement, but being in that limit, how we can improve the quality of our product, quality of our services which we are providing to our customers. So it deals with fundamental of quality management system, including the 8 management principle on which the full standard is based. International standard promote international trade by providing one consistent set of requirements recognized around the world. So if a company is ISO certified, it means it is internationally recognized. It can help a company satisfy its customer, meet regulatory requirements and achieve continual improvement. It provides the base of a quality system, not a complete guarantee of the quality. So it is providing a base, and how you can improve from that level, it is up to you. So it was published in 1987 by the International Organization for Standards, that is ISO, a specialized international agency for standardization composed of national standards based on different countries. 8 quality standards of it include customer focus, leadership, improvement of people, process approach, system approach to management, continual improvement, factual approach to decision making, mutually beneficial supplier relationship. ISO series. ISO 9000, it explains fundamental quality concept and provides guidelines for selection and application of each standard. ISO 9001 for quality assurance in design, development, production, installation services, and ISO 9002 production and installation services and manufacturing system. ISO 9003, it deals with the quality assurance and final inspection and testing. Guidelines ISO 9004 for the application standard in quality management quality system. So ISO 9002, ISO 9004 are guidelines system. They describe what is necessary to be required outlined in the standard 9002 or 9003. Advantages are quality is maintained. ISO registration also has a significant bearing on market credibility as well. Opportunity to compete with larger companies, more time spent on customer focus, confirmation that the company is committed to quality, may facilitate trade and increase product opportunity, can increase customer confidence and satisfaction. Clauses, 8 clauses are there from clause 4 to clause 8. So first is quality management systems. Clause 5 is management responsibility. Clause 6 is resource management. Clause 7 product realization. Clause 8 measurement analysis. Quality management system, it includes general requirement, documentation requirement, quality manual, control of records and documents. Management responsibility clause, it includes customer focus, quality objective, quality policy, quality management system planning, management representative, internal communication. Resource management requirement clause, competence, awareness and training, infrastructure, work environment. Product realization requirement clause, planning of product realization, customer related process, customer communication. Measurement analysis and improvement clause, general requirement, monitoring, measuring, customer satisfaction, internal audit, analysis of data, continual improvement. Thank you.